are having the panel discussion on smart grid. We have in our panelist Mr. Vikas Patel from the opposition party, Mr. Kohar Rahasyam, the expert from the power grid generation, and Mr. Ravi Ranjan, the common man. So we would like to know, Rahasyam ji, what is this smart grid all about?
Thank you for giving the opportunity to tell me something about the smart grid. So, smart grid is the need of today's world. Basically, it is a electrical network which will communicate between the supplier and the consumer. It will also manage the load, demands, and protect the distribution networks. It will also save the reduce the cost of the common man.
Okay. So, Mr. Vikas, you have to say anything? Okay.
हसन जी आपने बहुत टेक्निकल एक डेफिनेशन दे दी है. It will be very difficult for us as a common people to understand this. Can you explain this in a much more simpler?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sure. I will try to make you understand in a much more simpler way. So, do you know that what we are having today, that is a conventional method. So, it will generate a fixed generation. It will generate the fixed generation, generate the power. Then it will transmit the power to the different households through the transmission lines. So, there is a lot of so if there is a change of demand load, so the power generation is constant. So, but if you think, so there is only one way communication from the generation to the consumer. But in the case of the smart grid, this is two-way communication. So it will not only give the feedback also that how much consumer is using at which time, like in the morning how much you are using, in the evening how much they are using. So it will manage the basically load of the system.
I would like to pause you here, Mr. Rahasyam. Ravi Ranjan ji, do you have any questions? Do you understand what is smart grid and do you have any questions about it?
देखिए कॉमन मैन का तो एक ही क्वेश्चन होता है कि कॉस्ट. तो स्मार्ट ग्रिड सुनने से लग रहा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्टली इक्विपमेंट होगा, और इन्होंने जो भी बताया है उससे लग रहा है कि सिर्फ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और जनरेशन कंपनी को ही फ़ायदा होने वाला है. तो हमारा जैसा जो आम उपभोक्ता है वो इसमें हम क्यों मीटर लगाएंगे, स्मार्ट मीटर क्यों लगाएंगे?
Yes, Rahasyam ji, this is a very valid point actually.
Yeah, I want to tell you that I'm not telling you that denying that you're not able. It is not only the like you're not able to pay anything. So there's about 67 rupees per month you have to pay
For the meter.
For the meter.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, but there is as it is a two-way system. You can also generate your own solar power plant at your home, and we can also earn the money through that. Apart from that, you know that when there is a peak power pricing, so through that we can like if you know that what is if the load of the is in the morning or the evening time, so you can able to find like if you want to use a washing machine, so you can use in the afternoon, so that you can have a less cost you have to bear. So this way you can benefit a lot.
Okay, so as per the timing, the more consumption we have to keep our equipments like that.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Vikas would like to say anything.
इसमें आप बोल रहे हैं स्मार्ट है, ये स्मार्ट हो कैसे रहा है, मतलब what is the problem in the conventional method, how it is actually smart?
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा है. एक्चुअली हम लोग कन्वेंशनल मेथड में we can see that when there is a low load requirement and power generation is constant, so that time surplus power is getting wasted.
Yeah.
So in the other way, if you see when there is a low power demand and the power is constant only, at that time we have the blackout. Okay, so there our smart grid will come in the picture. So it will not only do that able to come. It will monitor that at what time we are generating the high peak low loads, and when you are having the low power requirement, and based on that our generating station can be managed. So
कुछ स्मार्ट डिवाइस रहेगा यहाँ पर?
Yeah, so in this we are having that smart meter, so that will monitor your all the smart appliances, and you'll come to know after the when you are using how much power requirement, and same thing will be feedback to the grid, and grid will also tell you that at what time you have to use what appliances, so that it can save your money.
इसका मतलब आप हमारा डेटा ग्रिड में भी पहुंचाएंगे, तो यहाँ पे सरकार अपना डेटा नहीं बचा पा रही, हमारा डेटा हैक नहीं होगा?
Yes.
Yeah.
We can see that. The hacking is a really troublesome process. these days.
I know your concern, but sir, you as we are having the cyber security, we are having a good infrastructure, so it will take care of your all the secure data, so it will not be transferred to anybody.
चलिए देखते हैं.
एक पॉइंट और
आप
इसमें
कुछ
कि-
कहना
जी
चाहते हैं
हाँ।
विकास जी?
मेरे मन में एक सवाल आ रहा है कि जैसे कि आप बोल रहे हैं कि स्मार्ट टेक्नोलॉजी हमने देखा है पास्ट में भी कि स्मार्ट टेक्नोलॉजी अच्छी तो होती है, लेकिन इसका साइड इफेक्ट भी है, जैसे बेरोजगारी बढ़ती है क्योंकि मशीन पूरा काम करने लगती है. इस बारे में आप क्या
बेरोजगारी
बोलेंगे?
एक बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा
और
है
हमारे
आज
देश
के
में वैसे ही दिक्कत है.
जनरेशन के लिए.
Like we have seen in the previous thing that when our laptops came in the market, people were shouting like that, "Ki it will snatch the job of the common people." But it's not like that. So it will create more job for the people, and it will enhance the life of the people also.
Okay, new era, new way of
New way of
employment.
requirements.
Okay. So we have discussed today, we came to know about the smart grid. I would like all my panelists to conclude this discussion with their last words. Mr. Vikas.
ओके वर्षा जी, डिस्कशन तो किया हमने. ये वैसे तो अच्छा ही लग रहा है मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट, बट हमें देखना है कि मौजूदा गवर्नमेंट इसे कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करती है, क्योंकि हमने कई बार देखा है पॉलिसी जनता के लिए नहीं बल्कि खुद के लिए बनाते हैं, और ऐसा ना हो कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कंपनियां और बिजनेस हाउस पूरा का पूरा फायदा उठा के चले जाएं और आम जनता से हाथ मलती रह जाए.
देखते हैं पूंजीपतियों की पॉलिसी है कि आम जनता की. रहसन जी.
I want to tell you that about the smart grid, that it will save the carbon emission first of all. Secondly, it will also reduce the resources, because we are managing the loads basically. So resources what we like coal and all will reduce drastically, and even it can save the money of the common people. But I already explained.
Okay. रवि जी.
आम आदमियों का एक ही मुद्दा होता है कॉस्ट. तो हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि पूंजीपति के साथ साथ जो कंपनीज हैं उनके साथ साथ थोड़ा हमें भी फायदा मिले इस स्मार्ट ग्रिड का, ऐसा इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हो. बस
चलिए देखते हैं हम अंत में क्या होता है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.